summation. Oh, hey. Good morning, Mr. Owen. Good morning, Mr. Owen. How was your night? Oh, mine was just perfect, Mr. Owen. Perfect. Oh, have you had something to eat this morning? Oh, like I said before, my night was cool. Okay, sir. Okay. Oh, such a cute man. So handsome. Looks like he's going out on a date today. Hi, guys. Hello. The Wayne is at work today and it's Monday. Hey, everyone, calm down. Did you guys observe anything when the bus entered here? Hey, Sophia, did you observe anything? Ah, dumb ass. I know your dumb head wouldn't observe anything. Hello, Andrew. Did you observe anything when the boss, Mr. Owen, entered here? Nothing. I never expected any good answer from you anyway. Hello, my brain box. Did you observe anything, Mr. Henry? Even you. Anyway, guys, let me tell you, I think, anyway, not I think, I know there is going to be a wedding bell in this office very soon. And guess who and who? Guess who and who? Anyways, I know you guys would not believe it, but hey, between Natasha, me, and Mr. Owen, our boss, did you just call me a dreamer? A daydreamer for that, at that? Okay, girls. Okay, guys. Look, did you observe that when Mr. Owen came here, you, Mr. Henry, you said, "Good morning, sir." And what did he reply? Good, he replied, "Good morning, Mr. Henry." And you, Sophia, you said, "Good morning, sir." What did he reply? He said, "Good morning, Miss Sophia." And you, Mr. Andrew, when he came here, you said, "Good morning, Mr. Owen." What did he reply? Really? "Good morning, Mr. Andrew." And can someone tell me what he replied when I said, "Good morning, Mr. Owen"? He said, "Natasha, how are you, my dear? How is your night? Hope you slept well." Those were not just asking of my welfare. Those were the words of someone in love, sweetheart. They hear the words of someone in love. Remember, he asked me, "How are you doing?" twice, just to confirm that his sweetheart to be is really okay. It's just a matter of time. Guys, he is going to profess his love to me. And imagine what the wedding card reads. Not Owen. Natasha weds Owen. It's going to be the wedding of the town. The talk of the town. Not Owen. Oh my god. I've never thought of this. Ooh, sweetheart. Oh, you guys are laughing. Oh, keep on laughing, sweethearts. But this guy is already mine. You know, yesterday something phenomenal happened yesterday, and it was a kind of prophecy and a confirmation that he loves me, even though I notice he's the reserved type, but it doesn't matter, does it? Mr. Owen, our boss, wanted to get a coffee, a glass of coffee, a cup of coffee rather. Then he called me. I went there and that machine was actually misbehaving. I said, "Excuse me, sir, let me help you." Then I got the cup. And guess who got the coffee for him? Me. And I said, "Can I help you to drink it, sir? Let me feed you." I said, no. Like I said, my man. Yes, I can call him my man. I am not daydreaming. My man is the shy type. So, he actually was shy to drink from the cup. But I forced him. I said, have some coffee. And he drank. Look, I still have the lips engraved on this cup. I can't even clean it. And since yesterday, I've been sipping the coffee. The one he remained from the same angle, and two has become one. Oh. So, you know my problem. I am not really close to his office. Oh, except when he needs me. That is the only time he calls me. But hey, Sophia, sweetheart, you are close to him, like you walk closest to him. You are the staff that is closest to Mr. Owen, right? Sweetheart, you're gonna do me a favor. See, it's going to be a case of women supporting women. Alright? Now, I heard his ex want to come back to his life. Sweetheart, you've got my number. When he breathes, you tell me. He eats, you tell me. He walks, you tell me. And if his ex comes visiting, you alert me. You know Natasha. And for Natasha, I am ready to fight for what belongs to me. And if you suspect some suspicious call on his phone, send me the number. let me call the person. Mr. Owen is mine, whether you like it or yes. Will you do it for Natasha? Remember, N for Natasha. I've got an email to send. Is he the one coming? My sweetheart. Oh. Oh, Mr. Owen, you are in our office again. Is there anything you would like me to do for you? Look, I've sent all the emails, and look, oh, you look good today. Are you going on a date? Like, I love your suit. I love your suit. Guess what, sir? The last time you complained of your eyes, have you treated it? I got an eye drop for you. I got an eye drop, and I don't mind putting a ladle on your eyes. Oh, just 3 drops, and you are good to go. Okay. Okay. Don't worry. This is highly recommended. I once used this, and my mom also used this. You've got nothing. Okay. So, what brings you to our office? Oh, you want to see Sophia? But what about me? Don't you want to give me another walk? Look, I've sent all the emails. I've sent out all the emails, and I've placed the orders. So anything, I can come to your office. I shouldn't come. Oh, okay. But by the way, you look so good. Are you going on a date? Are you going on a date today? Don't mind me, I'm being silly. Okay. Bye, Mr. Owen. Oh, guys, I told you he came back just to see me. But like I said, he's the shy type. He doesn't know how to speak out and say, I came to see Natasha. Anyway, guys, it's time for lunch. And I'm going to buy a takeaway pack for Mr. Owen. I'm sure my sweetheart would be hungry.